Want to light up your home and keep it safe at the same time? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Wyze Bulb Cam, a clever security camera hidden inside a regular light bulb. It offers clear video, motion detection, and app-based control, all while blending seamlessly into your home lighting. With easy installation and a discreet design, it's one of the smartest ways to upgrade your home security. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Wyze Bulb Cam. Do not turn off sticker. Quick start guide. Technical specifications. Let's break down the Wyze Bulb Cam specs. This is the Wyze CBC model, featuring a plastic body, glass and plastic lens, and a sturdy metal bulb base. It runs on a standard 120-volt E26 socket at 15 watts. The camera captures sharp 2K video with both color and IR night vision, and offers a wide 166-degree diagonal field of view. Frame rates are 20 frames per second during the day and 15 at night, with digital zoom for closer details. Audio is clear thanks to a built-in microphone, plus you get two-way audio and a 95 decibel siren. The bulb itself can reach up to 800 lumens with a 3000 Kelvin warm light and supports motion-activated, ambient, scheduled, and automated controls. 4 IR lights help with night vision. Storage options include cloud recording with a Wyze subscription or local micro SD cards up to 256 gigabytes. It connects via Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz or Wi-Fi 6 and supports Bluetooth 4.2 for linking up to 5 Wyze accessory bulbs. Finally, it's built to operate in temperatures from -20 to 50 degrees Celsius and can be safely stored between -40 and 80 degrees Celsius. Product features. Integrates a 2K resolution security camera and an LED light into a single bulb-style device, allowing both lighting and video monitoring to function together in one compact form. This unified design helps maintain a low-profile appearance while supporting continuous visual coverage. Provides detailed video capture during daytime conditions and maintains monitoring capability after dark through the use of color night vision and infrared night vision. This ensures consistent image visibility across a wide range of lighting environments. Actively monitors movement within the camera's viewing area and responds to detected activity by generating real-time push notifications. The system can also automatically trigger the integrated light to increase visibility during motion events and improve situational awareness. Allows remote management through a mobile application, offering access to live video feeds, recorded footage, motion detection settings, and lighting behavior adjustments. Storage options and alert preferences can also be managed directly through the app for centralized control. Product overview. The device features a top section dedicated to LED lights that provide standard illumination while the unit is screwed into a light socket. Below this sits the camera unit, which is attached to a specialized telescopic rod. This rod allows the camera to extend downward and clear the edges of deep or recessed light fixtures, ensuring an unobstructed field of view. The camera head includes a camera lens for video capture, a status light to indicate power or connection mode, and IR lights that enable clear visibility in the dark. A built-in microphone is also present to support two-way audio communication. On the side or base of the camera head, a small compartment houses the micro SD card slot for local video storage and a setup button used for resetting or pairing the device to a network. App connection. Download the Wyze app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and either sign in with your existing account or create a new one if you're a first-time user. This account will manage all your Wyze devices and notifications. Launch the Wyze app on your Android or iOS device, then tap the plus icon and select Add Device, then choose Camera and select your cam. Follow the on-screen instructions to prepare the camera for pairing, including confirming the LED is blinking. Press the Setup button located at the bottom of the camera to enable pairing mode. Enter your Wi-Fi credentials in the app so the bulb can join your network. Once the app confirms a successful connection, you can name the device, set motion detection preferences, and adjust lighting or recording settings. How to install. Select a standard E26 socket where you want to place the Wyze Bulb Cam. Make sure the area has a strong 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal and that the camera will have a clear view of the area you want to monitor. Gently screw the Wyze Bulb Cam into the socket, just like a regular light bulb. Ensure it's firmly seated, but avoid over-tightening. The bulb will power on automatically and enter pairing mode, indicated by a blinking LED. The camera is designed to fit most light fixtures. You can manually extend, rotate, and tilt the camera to get the perfect viewing angle. Check the feed in the Wyze app to confirm the coverage is exactly where you need it. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved power sources. Keep it dry and clean. Handle with care. Check for secure installation. Manage privacy responsibly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build, the Wyze Bulb Cam features a plastic body with a bulb-style design that integrates directly into a light socket, keeping the camera visually discreet. The Typo C120 uses a traditional standalone security camera design with a plastic housing, built to be mounted outdoors with a more visible presence. The Wyze Bulb Cam installs like a standard light bulb and blends into existing lighting, making it ideal for subtle monitoring. In contrast, the Typo C120 requires a fixed mounting position and is clearly identifiable as a security camera, offering a more conventional surveillance setup. Both cameras record in 2K resolution, but they approach night monitoring differently. The Wyze Bulb Cam supports color night vision, using its built-in light along with infrared night vision, while the Typo C120 adds a built-in spotlight and infrared LEDs to enhance nighttime visibility and deterrence. Pros and cons. The Wyze Bulb Cam combines a 2K security camera and LED light into a single discrete bulb, offering wide coverage with both color and infrared night vision. It features motion detection with instant push notifications, motion-activated lighting, local microSD storage up to 256 gigabytes, two-way audio, and a built-in siren for basic deterrence. On the downside, it requires a compatible E26 socket, lacks mechanical pan or tilt, has no battery backup, and cloud recording needs a subscription. Enclosed fixtures may reduce light brightness, placement options are limited compared to traditional cameras, and the audio and siren range is basic. Overall, it's a compact, all-in-one solution for home monitoring with some practical limitations to consider. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.